Important question for Muslim law is in Muslim law, the wife can claim divorce under extrajudicial or judicial mode. So, what are the reasons? The extrajudicial modes are talaq, tafais, and lian, that is LIAN. The judicial mode is by dissolution of Muslim Marriage Act 1939. The act defines the grounds for divorce and procedure for the purpose. So let's see the grounds that can be dissolution of marriage under the Muslim law. First, let us read the Muslim Marriage Bill 2016. So, notwithstanding that the dissolution of marriage proceedings have been initiated at the behest of the wife, it shall not affect any of the rights to dower and maintenance that the wife is otherwise entitled. The Muslim Women Protection of Rights on Divorce Act. We will be just saying, can a Muslim husband seek dissolution of marriage? Yes, of course. Husband may divorce his wife by repudiating the marriage without giving any reason. Pronouncement of such words which signifies his intention to disown the wife is sufficient. But generally this is done by talaq, but he may divorce the wife also by ila and jihar, which differ from a talaq only in form, not in substance. Now, what are the four types of talaq in Islam? Granting of divorce by the husband, that is talaq, that now it has been removed. Separation by way of consent between the parties, that is khula. Khulla we say, Khula. And dissolution of marriage, that is fasq-e-nikah. When the power of talaq is transferred to the wife, that is tafweed-e-talaq. TAFWEEDHETALAQ, that is tafweed-e-talaq. Now, how do Muslims get divorce in court? A predominant question. That is by husband, talaq, ila, and jihar. By wife, talaq, tafwiz, that is lian, by mutual agreement, kula and mubarat. Now, what is the difference between kula and khulla, that is Khula? Unlike khula, wherein Muslim woman needs to formally give a reason for the divorce in talaq, a Muslim man can divorce his wife with or without any cause, and there is no specific proceedings for it. But this has been amended latest. We'll see the latest judgment on talaq. The court concludes that the unilateral and arbitrary nature of triple talaq undermined the principles of equality, dignity, and individual rights. So, as a result, the court established a legal prohibition on triple talaq with the enactment of the Muslim Women Protection of Rights of Marriage Act in 2019. So, please read the Muslim Women Protection of Rights of Marriage Act, the latest pertaining to the act. Now, what are the rules of iddah in Islam? Now, first, it is forbidden to marry women who are in the iddah period, whether iddat we call it, whether due to the divorce, fasq, or the husband dies, are prohibited from marrying another man if he forces her to marry when the marriage is invalid. And second, it is prohibited to leave the house except in an emergency, then it is permissible. Now, what are the rules of iddat in Islam? So, is iddat compulsory? Very important question. Only women, first it is forbidden to marry women who are in the iddat period, whether due to the divorce, fasaq, or the husband. So, very important, what are the restrictions during iddat period? During the period, the woman is not to marry another man. During this period, a person may declare his intention of marrying a widow in a socially accepted manner, or he may keep such intention to himself, yet he should not make a secret commitment of the marriage with the widow. Now, over here, what is the Islamic law of iddat? I will just summarize it. In Islamic law, the duration of iddat varies depending upon the circumstances of the divorce. The iddat period is 3 menstrual cycle. The husband is the one to file for divorce. The iddat period is 3 menstrual cycles or 3 lunar months, whichever is longer, if the wife is the one who files the divorce. Now, very important, what are the three types of iddat? Yes, it is an obligation by the words of the Almighty until the book reaches the term. That is, and the because the Prophet said to Al Furaya, wait in your house until the book reaches its term. There are three types of menstrual period: lunar, months, and pregnancy. So, iddat is a very important topic. Kindly read it before your exam. What does the Quran say about iddat? And those in your women as have passed the age of monthly courses, for them the iddat, that is, if you have doubts about their period, is 3 months, and for those who have no courses, they are still immature, their iddat prescribed period is 3 months likewise, except in case of death. Now, do's and don'ts during iddat. Can a man, woman travel during iddat? So these are certain questions about it, that is the period which the the where the marriage cannot be uh, nullified.